Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Azim bin Roslan. My matric number is CF253. Today I present the introduction about the project programming. The introduction, we create the software that we develop is the calculate system that user in the Python. User can also continue the swiftly and easily about the information that they need.
Good day everyone, my name is Chakili. Today I'm going to present the flowchart for our book. First, we will draw a terminal to represent the start of the project. The name of the project and user details will be inputted as well. Next, we will input all the required parameters for the programming. We will calculate the D effective and the VED maximum. When the VRD maximum is greater than VED maximum, we will continue with the programming, else we will print redesign slab. Next, we will calculate the value of VED max and input all the relevant data such as ASY and ASZ to calculate VRDC. If VRDC is smaller than VED, then we will input the value of FYWD and FYWEF. If FYWD is greater than FYWDEF, then we will input the relevant data in the next. Last but not least, we will calculate the value for ASW and UREF. Finally, we can use this program to determine the layout of punching shear reinforcement. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Maizatuna Jiha and I will present about the pseudocode part. Pseudocode is one of the tools that can be used to write a preliminary logical sequence to develop a particular computer program. It is a generic way of describing an algorithm without the use of any specific syntax of programming language. First, we will start with declare the coding program with group for punching shear capacity, checking for flat slab. Then, we need to find beta value, D effective, and calculate shear stress maximum, VED maximum. From the FCK value, we get the VRD max value. If the VED max is larger than VRD max, we need to display for redesign slab. After that, if the value of VED is larger than VRDC, we must calculate area of punching shear reinforcement ASW and the length of the outer perimeter UREF. That's all for the pseudocode. Thank you.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Afiq Kamal and I will be talking about the user's manual. This session is the user manual on how to operate the program. It is advised for user to refer this flat slab section of the how to design concrete structure using Eurocode 2 book written by Pon ETAL while navigating through the manual as well as when using the program. This will ensure that the user will have an easier time when using it. The steps that the user should take are as follow. Step 1. After booting the program, the user will be required to enter the value of factor beta based on the figure 7 in the section in the book stated before. Step 2. Then the user are required to enter the value of UI, VED, H, Sinum, OBA, Oling, and U1 which will be used to calculate the value of DEF and VED max. Step 3. Input the value of the FCK based on the table 7 to get the corresponding value of VRD max. If the value of VED max obtained is greater than the value of VRD max, then a message saying redesign slab will appear, instructing user to redesign the slab. If not, the value of VED max will be calculated and displayed. Step 4. Input the value of ASY, ASZ, PD which will be used to calculate the value of row 1. Then find the value of VRDC based on the value of row 1 based on the table 8. Step 5. If the value of VED is less than VRDC, a message of punching shear reinforcement not required will be prompted. If not, input the value of FYWD. Step 6. Based on the value of DEFF calculated before, refer table 9 to get the value of FYWDEF. Step 7. Input the value of SR as it is needed to calculate ASW and UOUTEF. After this is done, the value of ASW and UOUTEF will be displayed. That's all from me and I will pass to the next presenter.
For the conclusion, the program that applied to the task punching shear capacity had been successfully developed using Python. Apply civil engineering knowledge in the computer programming, learn the ways to arrange information in the form of flowcharts, pseudocode and coding. Utilize the knowledge of computer programming during future implementations. Key benefits to engineers as it is more convenient and time-saving with the application of program in terms of design and calculation. Programs such as StatPro, the engineers do not need to do calculation manually, easily design complex and detailed by using applications such as SketchUp and AutoCAD. Learn and incorporate computing fundamentals during life to improve and promote professional qualifications.